Alright, so let's look at some useful phrases at the bank. You're at the bank, let's talk, let's communicate. So, who can I talk to about my transaction, my account, my withdrawal, my fee, my debit card, my credit card? Who can I talk to about this? Who can I talk to? Who can I talk to about this? I'd like some change. Please, change. Change. So, we have, let's say, £10 note, but we want coins. Coins. Going from paper to coins. We want coins, not paper. So need change. Or the other way around. I got loads of coins, but I want paper. Very important. Change. How do I change the money? Change the money. Do you have any change? Please. May I have some change? Please. How much is in my account? How much? How much? What is the balance? What is the balance? The balance. How much is in the account? The balance. Money coming in, money going out. The balance. The balance. I'd like to withdraw some money, please. I would like to withdraw some money, please. And withdraw. To take money out, withdraw. Take money out, that's mine. Withdraw. Or how much can I withdraw? How much can I withdraw? 100? 1,000? 10,000? 100,000? How much can I withdraw? Depends on things. I want to withdraw. Well, withdraw to take out, or I'd like to deposit some money. I'd like to deposit some money. To put money in, deposit. Here you are. Here you are. Deposit. How cool is that? And then we have, I forgot my PIN, card, account number, transaction. I forgot my fee, my money. I forgot. Forgot. I forgot my card. I forgot my card. Not here. I forgot my PIN, my personal identification number. My PIN. I forgot my PIN. Not sure what to do. Yeah. Possible. I'd like to open an account, please. I want to open. Open an account, please. Open account, please. I'd like to close an account. Close. So open account, close account. So here we are, like delete. Delete. Get rid of. Close an account. Open to start. Start an account. Start an account. And close an account. Makes sense. So, who can I talk to about, I'd like some change, please. How much is in my account? How much? I'd like to withdraw some money, please. Withdraw. How much can I withdraw? How much can I withdraw? I forgot my thing. I forgot my card or PIN. I forgot. I'd like to open an account, please. I'd like to close an account, please. How cool is that? How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep going.